Okay, now the last raster for this geographic coordinate system, that is the null one here, the null grid. And let's put it to our map. And yes. Okay, so there it is. Just zoom to layer, and we will register using 3 farthest point. So I assume this one, this 2 and 3 here. Okay, now let's fire up the georeference. Don't forget to control point table and add control point. Okay, let's choose this. This is the Sabang Island. Okay, and then we can use our grid, our georeference DMS grid tip here. Zoom to layer, and I will uncheck this first, and there is one. Wow. Where are you? Okay, let's drag it up. The tip, we can drag it up above the null. Okay, zoom to layer, and there. Okay, wow, no problem. Now we choose the second point. Oops, where are you? Oh, it's happening again. So it's happening again. So let's choose this one. And zoom to layer, and we put here, I think. Yep. Yes, it's there. It fits here. We use 2 points, but it fits. Okay, this is the null grid, and this is the DMS one. Now you can see the differences. Okay, now let's put the final one. I will choose this small island here. Okay. Oh, so not really far. But I think, as you can see, there is a little doubt here about, because I don't know, we lost the view of this point. That's why we shoot from the distance, from far distance, for zoom, from zoom out. So I think I will choose the 4th, and I will delete this one, and I will try this. And here, oops, I'm sorry. No, 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 no. The fourth one. Add control point again. Okay. Please be careful to uncheck this first to hide the thief first. Now we click the JPEG here and uncheck and check the DMS grid for the reference. Not so far here. Okay, and then I will delete this because I'm not so sure about the precision, the accuracy of the second point. Now let's see the vector again, the red lines. Now it fits. It fits perfectly. The raster and the vector is fit perfectly. Okay, I think that's good. Now, as usual, let's click save, and I will rename it to copy the text, and I will save as new one. Scroll up, choose the folder, okay, Georef here, grid and thief. Now thief is safe, and thief here. Yep. And let's go. Okay. Now it's there. But I wonder, did I wrong put this DMS grid because we don't see here? Oh, they are there. Let's see the data source. Are they in the same folder? The TIFF1, 1, 2, and the DD, DMS. And yes, the raster georef here, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. I'm just a little worried because I don't see all the files here. No problem. And yep, we have decimal degree grid thief, the DMS grid thief, and now grid thief. So I think we can remove the JPEG, and don't forget to save the project. Okay, it's all there. And please check and recheck our work because this is the data. The data can make us a headache when we do headache in the future if we don't do it slowly and seriously. Okay, thank you. We will georeference the UTM after this.